So I got this thing, it's called the Cort Space Bass. It's a relic from the 80s, much like myself. So the way this works, this has got the licensed by Steinberger system, made by Cort in Japan in the 80s. So I'm assuming this is metric, but go to your Allen wrench drawer where you have your Allen wrenches, your 80 of them, and it's in there. And there's a little screw right here on the side. Loosen that guy up. When you loosen the screw up right here, it frees these saddles. You can, like if you had strings on them, you could slide it back to adjust your intonation or forward or whatever, you know. And also when you loosen the screw, they'll all pop out. So be careful of that. So back to these saddles. They all appear to be exactly identical, which is cool, but there's like a long side right here, and then there's a short side on the top. For whatever reason, the long side was all facing towards the back, so I'm going to leave it that way for now. And while you're in here too, you can pull these guys back and tighten those bridge screws along here. Not tighten, but make sure they're snug. Why not? While you're doing your little setup, clean everything out. You could actually take these guys all out of here too. I took a little brush and cleaned the screws up. And somebody took the active electronics out of that, in case you noticed. But here's the reason I got this too, because I'm getting a little older and I play 4 sets in a cover band every night. Oh, there goes the saddles. See that? Let's see what we got here. Look at that. Just under 6 pounds. So it'll just be over 6 pounds with strings and saddles that fell out. Now you can tighten the screws. But anyway, that's how you do that. When you're done, you get everything all set into place. Tighten this screw up over here again, and you're all set. You're good to go with your styling headless bass. Good luck.